Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome back to my channel. So, on this episode, we'll be making Nigerian style egg roll. Yes, egg roll. So here I'm laying out my ingredients. We have flour here. We have sugar, margarine or butter, whichever one you have, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and water. So this video is pastry video, and I promise you, you're going to love it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. So you're welcome back. Right here, we're about to mix the dry ingredients. I've added my sugar already, as you can see. Next up, I'll be adding the baking powder, salt, cinnamon. You can even use what's it called, nutmeg also. I didn't have nutmeg at the time. I needed to add spice to it, so I used my cinnamon. But nutmeg has a stronger taste, has a stronger taste that adds to your egg roll or to your pastries. Yeah. So I'm adding my margarine. You can also use butter if you love that. Margarine makes the dough soft. Yeah. But if you don't have margarine, you can do away with margarine, because I actually tried without margarine and it still worked out for me. But I feel margarine gives it a soft chewy dough in the egg roll. Yeah, compared to when there's no margarine, it's kind of a little bit hard. Yeah. So you mix until you have a crumb like texture before you introduce your water to the dry ingredients. So I'm adding water 1 cup at a time. I actually use 3 cups of water here. 1 cup at a time. Mix until you have a sticky dough. I'm adding another cup of water again. Mix, mix, mix until you have a dough, the texture of what you want from your dough. It's going to be sticky, but in between you just have to be adding flour. So I'm done adding my water to it. This is what we have here. It's very sticky, but you just have to get a fresh batch of flour to make it how like put it, not too sticky but firm, so that when you fry it, it comes out smooth. Because if you put it like this in the hot oil without adding flour, it's going to, the texture, you won't like it. Yeah. So our dough is ready to be fried. Here's my oil. Yeah, my oil. We're going to deep fry it. I just did something. I added a little bit of flour to check the hotness of the oil, and it's not ready. I'll show you how to know when it's ready. So you have to measure your dough. It's important to do. Here I'm measuring 100 grams of dough. 100 grams. That's it. Yeah, 100 grams. So my egg. You have to roll your egg in dry flour before you coat it with your dough. Remember to always add dry flour to your dough because it's sticky. You can see my hands are I filled up with dough because of the stickiness. Just have to add what's it called, flour to it. So this is how you do it. You massage and massage, pinch it, close it up, whichever way. You just have to be close. If you don't do it this way, when it's hot, it will open. And also when your oil is very hot, your egg will just open. So now I how to know that your egg roll is ready. You add another flour to it. I'll show you. I can see it right here now. I'm adding flour so you can see it's fusing up and it's disappearing at the same time. So this is how you know that your oil is ready. So we go again. I'm about to add my egg roll because it's ready for frying. I noticed that the oil is so hot, so I had to bring down the pot from the stove a little bit before adding it back to the stove. So it's ready to be fried. I'm adding my egg roll now. You have to massage it to be smooth, very smooth, before putting it into the oil. Okay, please be careful so you don't splash yourself hot oil. Be careful, very, very careful. This stage is very tricky. You just have to be careful. Remember, deep frying, get a deep pot to fry your egg roll. Yeah, yeah. Another one. So my pot could contain just six of it. That's what I'm doing right here. Rolling before putting. Make sure I add my flour. You're going to see the result. Comes out very smooth. If you don't add flour to it, mm, when you see your egg roll, you won't like it. The body won't be smooth. To look so rough, and it's going to soak up oil. But this one didn't soak up oil, and it fried to perfection. When I fried it very well. There's some egg roll you'll be frying. Well, after frying it, you notice that the inside, the dough didn't get done. That's because the oil was so hot when you put it in, and immediately it turned to golden brown, and you thinking that ah that the egg roll is ready, not knowing that the inside is not well cooked. Do you get? So you have to use your senses to time yourself and to know when it's done. You get me? And also measuring it will help you a long way. That's why I use 100 grams to measure. Hmm, this one is really big. And use 80 grams also. You can use 90, but between 80 to 100 is a very good measurement for the dough of your egg roll. This egg roll is very tasty. You can have it with soft drinks, you could have it with tea, you can have it with green tea, whatever you want. It's so nice. The sugar level in it is not so bad. It's not too sugary, not too sweet, but very okay. Trust me, very okay. But if you're a sweet tooth, if you want to add more sugar to yours, you can go ahead and add. The recipe will be in the capture of this video, so watch out for that. Yeah. So my egg roll is ready. You can see how it looks golden brown, not burnt brown or light brown. That's with golden brown. Yeah. So I'll wait for the excess oil to drip out from the egg roll before putting it in my sieve. Okay. I forgot to mention also, please fry on low heat. It's very important. Low heat. You know what I'm saying? Because too much of high heat. So I know it's going to make your dough inside not to, or rather the dough of the egg roll, the inside of it won't be done. Yeah. So always fry on low heat. Low heat helps it to deep fry. It takes the time, fry to perfection. So this is my second batch. We made this for a client. She ordered for 20 of it, 20 egg roll and 20 meat pie. I also will be sharing meat pie video So if you're interested for that one to watch out for it. I'll be posting that also as well. So let's say we're working on it. Always turn. Use your spoon. Turn. Use your frying spoon. Always turn it in between. Do not let it rest. Always turn it. By this way, you're doing it so it fries evenly. It goes round and fry. But if you leave it one side will fry and the other side will not fry. And there you have it. Delicious Nigerian egg roll, crunchy on the outside, soft and tasty inside with that perfect boiled egg surprise. Perfect for breakfast, lunch boxes, or as street style snacks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy Nigerian recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.